Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you kung paano maka-discount by buying on Shopee. And kung bago ka sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to click subscribe para updated ka sa mga tutorial videos na ina-upload ko. And continue watching until to the last part para malaman kung paano. Please bear with me kung paos yung boses ko. Dahil po, 3 days na akong hindi okay. But, yun, I'm still trying, na makagawa ng vlogs for you. Yan, so let's start. So, first thing to do, is we're going to look for Shopee application on our phone. Yan, and kapag nasa Shopee app na tayo, click natin yung search bar, then we're going to type there yung kung ano yung hinarap natin. So in here, lagyan natin 48 liters oven. And then mapupunta na tayo doon sa mga relevance ng 48 liters oven. And then again, kapag bibili tayo sa Shopee, yan, we need to consider the 3 important things, So, first, yung presyo po. Check natin yan. Then, second one is the feedback. Yan, ano yung mga comments ng mga bumili nito, ng certain item na ito or product. And then, last one is yung sold. And then, ratings. Okay? So, syempre, consider natin yung may number of sold naman po siya, diba? Yan. Then, kapag okay na yung 3 important things na yon, yan, we're going to decide na. So, in here, I just choose this one. Yan siya, si Good Helper. And then, check muna natin yung ibang variations niya. When it comes to color, so, merong black, meron ding silver, and then merong red. So, 3 different colors pwedeng pagpilian. Then, kapag okay na, click lang natin yung buy with voucher. Then, yan. After nun, ito na yung lalabas. Yan. So, dito makikita natin yung merchandise subtotal, product protection subtotal, then we have shipping subtotal, and then voucher discount. Yan. So, since wala pa siyang voucher or hindi pa applied yung Shopee voucher, yan, click lang natin yung Shopee voucher dyan, and doon na natin makikita yung mga Shopee voucher natin. So, yan, so dito muna tayo sa free shipping. So we have to available, yan, pili lang tayo dyan ng isa, so kahit ano pwede naman po. Yan, click ko yung unahan, and then next naman, after ng free shipping, dito naman ako sa discount or cashback. So in here, pipiliin ko yun na sa unahan, which is yung 10% off. Lagay dyan, minimum spend plus 1k cap at 1k pesos. Yan, nakalagay 3-day sale, 9 AM to 12 noon. So, in here, explain ko lang po kung ano yung cashback. Ito po yung babalik sa atin doon sa ating Shopee page siya magre-reflect, kapag tayo ay umorder. And, matatanggap natin ito or magre-reflect siya sa ating Shopee Pay once na-delivered na sa atin yung order natin. In here, meron po siyang condition. So, nakalagay dyan, ang minimum spend is 1,000. That means, pwede lang po siyang magamit, kapag ang ating order is umabot na po ng 1,000. But, kung 999 po yan, X po, hindi po natin siya magagamit. Yan, kapag more than 1k lang po yung halaga ng in-order natin. So, let's say, ang order mo ay saktong 1,000, and then, kukunin natin yung 10% nun, which is 100. So, see, by the use of cashback, nakaless tayo ng 100. So, syempre, the more na lumalaki yung price, lalaki din po yung discount. Okay, or yung cashback. And then, kapag okay na yung dalawa nating Shopee voucher, pwede natin i-click yung OK. And then, after that, ito na yung makikita natin. So, in here, papakita ko sa inyo, nasa na yung ginamit natin na free shipping and as well as yung discount or cashback. So, una, yung free shipping natin. So, kaya nag-less dyan ng 38. And then, dito naman tayo sa discount or cashback. So, nakaless tayo ng 307 pesos. So, see, napakalaki no ng tulong ng mga vouchers na ito. Then, kapag okay na, click na natin yung please order. Then, yan, after nan, andyan na siya nakagay pending payment. Then, mapupunta na siya dun sa ating my purchases to pay. And that would be all. I hope you enjoy watching and sana may natutunan kayo, no? And one day, magamit nyo ito whenever nabibili kayo on Shopee. And yun lang guys. See you on my next vlog. Stay safe everyone. Bye!